Hello everyone, welcome back again. My name is Jesse, and in today's tutorial concerning NLP in Julia, we learn about how to do Ngrams. So what are Ngrams? So Ngrams, simply put, is combination of multiple words, whereby the N stands for the number of combinations that you want to make. So it is very useful when you are trying to create features. So like you have languages are usually structured, so if you want to find combinations of several words or several letters, then Engrams comes inside, right? It's very useful when you are doing language modeling. So this is a test we have. So to do an Engram, it's quite simple. Let's convert this one to SD1. Let's make it SD3, right? Then I'm going to call it as string document, because that's the first thing we must do. We must convert this our string into a text analysis string document. Now to do an Ngram is quite simple. Just go with Ngrams, then you pass in our test SD3. So the default one is a Unigram, just like a token. So it's going to work perfectly for you, given us 1 1 1 1, just like normal tokens. So that is a default Ngram, right? That is Unigram. You can also do bigrams. So bigrams means 2. So to do that, it's going to be like this: Ngrams, then SD, takes another SD3, then the next argument is going to be 2, presenting the bigrams, right? So it's going to give us 2 words. Some of them will work, some of them will fail. That never is to create. So that is one way of doing it. So we can do it in a better way. Let me bring it down by doing it like this. So let's call it for bigrams in Ngrams of SD3, then 2. Going to print still the same thing as we did, bigrams. Then let's end it. It's going to give us a pair of the words, which is perfect, right? This is one way of doing a bigram. So let's see the same thing. We can do a trigram in the same thing, and then so forth. Pentagram. No, this is to do a trigram. You change this and then this to try, and then this is going to be 3. Perfect. So we start combining them. Some of them will be 3 words, some of them will be 2 words. I don't know why, but if you have a solution, a better way, you can let me know. So that is the concept about Engram. So how do you detect an Engram? So we learned about that later. So how do you create an Engram from a token? So you can create an Engram from a dictionary. So to do that, it's going to be like this. Perfect. So we have a dictionary of strings of integers. We want to create an Engram so that this is a dictionary. Perfect. So how do you create an Engram from this? You can just go with. So how do you create an Engram? So it's going to be like this: ngd. Then you can make it the simpler way, or you can just go with a normal Engram document. Then I'm going to pass in my string. So pass in this thing here, right? So my Engram. Perfect. Now it's a test. So I can now tokenize it. I can work with it straight away. So to detect the kind of Engram to do it, you can just go with this Engram complexity. And I'm going to pass in my ngd. I hope the spelling is correct. Perfect. So it's 1. So that's one way of doing it. Sometimes it may work well, sometimes it may fail. So let's create another dictionary, right, and use it and see. So I have this dictionary here, which is bigram, and then I want to convert this one. I want to detect the complexity of it, but first of all I must convert it into an Engram. So to do that, it's going to be our Engram. So now let's create one. So it's going to be ngd2, then Engram, right? Engram document. So I'm going to pass in my value here, which I had here. Perfect. Now it's an Engram, so we can just check for it by going with Engram complexity. Then ngd2 1. I don't know why it's giving us 1, but I'm not sure. I don't know why, but So if you have a better way of helping us, you can let me know. So thank you for watching. If you have any question or contribution, you can just put it in the comment section so that everybody can benefit. Please don't forget to subscribe. Stay blessed.